Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hopefully, you all been doing great. This is me, Muhammad Sadiq. Today, we have Mr. Hasnain. He has been studying in grade 8 in the government high school Lumpur. Today, I'm going to test his grammar skills. And in grammar, we are specifically going to check his tenses and translation skills. So, let's see how is it going. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
So, do you know all the tenses?
Yes.
So, can you translate this particular sentence of the present simple tense? वो खत लिखता है.
He writes a little.
Negative.
He does not write a little. Does he write a little? Does he not write a little?
The same sentence in the present continuous tense. वो खत लिख रहा है.
He is writing a little. He is not writing a little. Is he writing a little? Is he not writing a little?
Now in the present perfect tense. वो खत लिख चुका है.
He has written a little. He has not written a little. Has he written a little? Has he not written a little?
Good. Same sentence in the present perfect continuous tense. वो सुबह से खत लिख रहा है.
He has been writing a letter since morning. He has not been writing a letter since morning. Has he been writing a letter since morning? Has he not been writing a letter since morning?
Good, very good. Now talk about the past simple tense. Do you know about the past simple tense?
Yes, I know.
Okay, let's see. उसने खत लिखा.
He wrote a little. He did not write a letter. Did he write a letter? Did he not write a letter?
Good. Now in the past continuous tense, वो खत लिख रहा था.
He was writing a letter. He was not writing a letter. Was he writing a letter? Was he not writing a letter?
Good. Past perfect tense, वो खत लिख चुका था.
He had written a letter. He had not written a letter. Had he written a letter? Had he not written a letter?
Good. Past perfect continuous tense, वो सुबह से खत लिख रहा था.
He had been writing a letter since morning. He had not been writing a letter since morning. Had he been writing a letter since morning? Had he not been writing a letter since morning?
Very good. Okay, now moving towards the future simple tense.
He will write a little. He will not write a little. Will he write a little? Will he not write a little?
वो खत लिख रहा होगा.
He will be writing a little. He will not be writing a little. Will he be writing a little? Will he not be writing a little?
Very good. Moving towards the future perfect tense, which is वो खत लिख चुका होगा.
He will have written a little. He will not have written a little. Will he have written a little? Will he not have written a little?
Good. Moving toward the last one, which is future perfect continuous tense. So वो सुबह से खत लिख रहा होगा.
He will have been writing a letter since morning. He will not have been writing a letter since morning. Will he have been writing a letter since morning? Will he not have been writing a letter since morning?
Well, if you want to improve your basic grammar, or if you are looking to improve your basic communication skills, then you must have to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and as well as on the TikTok. This is it for now. See you around. Thank you so much for your time.